What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind the shop looking at a 1983 DeLorean we just tinted. This thing was a lot of fun. I've actually been doing this about 30 years and I've never tinted a DeLorean. It was very, very challenging. My installer, Danny Munez, did an amazing job on this car. The customer that owns this car wanted something light. They wanted something that offered great UV, and they wanted something that would last. So we chose the Lumar CTX 50%. The heat rejection's decent, the UV protection is great, and the product has a track record, you know, second to none. CTX is actually one of the very first ceramic window films that ever came out. It's the film everybody else chased. It's the film that everybody else had to beat. Of course, now Lumar has the Air 80. They also have the IRX. There are films that offer better heat rejection, but this film, it's like the Honda Accord of the window film industry. It's gonna last forever. So nothing on this car was digitally cut. Normally we digitally cut all our window film, but on this car, of course, nothing was in the system. The rear quarter windows were very difficult. The back window was difficult. The roll-up windows have a little tiny roll-up window inside of the bigger window. And then, of course, the windshield was challenging because of the rearview mirror and also the age of the vehicle and how the interior is kind of swollen over time, and there's not a lot of tolerance and a lot of room for the window film to fit into. So let's quickly just, we'll go through this. So let's take a look at the back end of this car. This is the engine compartment, of course. For those that like this car, can I open this? No, I was gonna say I'll show you the engine, but it's down inside there. I'm sure there's a button somewhere I can hit, but take a look. Down here, there's like a plastic or a leather-like material, and it's just starting to wear over time. So the owner of the car wanted to tint the rear windows to give that area a little bit of UV protection, both sides. And then the back window doesn't really show up very well on this angle. We'll go inside. Let's take a look here. But the back window is very challenging, tight quarters. And then the roll-up window, of course, one window within another window, the front windshield. And of course, you know, everybody knows that this is the flux capacitor, which is what makes time travel possible. And then, as you can see, just from an installer's view, so to speak, it's very difficult. You're working upside down. This car is pretty challenging. My installer, Danny, did an amazing job. Signature glass tinting in Costa Mesa. It's real simple. We use nothing but the best window films. I go out of my way to hire the best installers. We back everything up with the absolute best warranty in the industry. You can learn more about us if you visit our website, find our Instagram page, Twitter, Facebook. Of course, you're on our YouTube channel now. Give us a call the old-fashioned way even, 949-515-8468. If you have a specific question, give us a call. Even if you got your windows tinted somewhere else and you need some information, give us a call. We're here to help. Signature Glass Tinting.